Hey, this is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update. Today's August 5th, Wednesday, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did in the room today. Today we started out pre-market with an RS trade. The price was $20.99, $20.98.75, and we took that down for about a point. That was right here at this arrow. Okay, once the market opened up, we had what's called a ZL, which is actually a trade we could have reversed and went long. But during the market on open, we like to kind of let things play out for a couple candles in certain situations, and that's what we did. We got out of this trade and we waited to see what happened. Could have went long as early as here and had an add-on here, but instead we waited. We got long on a power play. Power play was 2101.75 right at this green arrow here, and we took that up. And here was my target. I actually had my line here to make sure everybody got filled at the bottom of the box. I said it was either going to go to 2106 to 2106.75. We actually went to 2107. Okay, so a little bit over. Okay, but that target was hit. Okay, when that happened, for anybody who wasn't out, I said we had actually a short here. Okay, so this is what we call a playground trade, advanced setup with the market being up so big. I was concerned there might not be very many longs, and this was at a key area of resistance, so I figured it was worth a shot. We got short there, 2106.50. Okay, and you'll see that one went all the way down. In fact, it never looked back. Realistically, most people got about 3 points on that trade, unless you had a lot of contracts. Okay, we had a power play, another trade, 10:54 Central Standard Time, 2101.75, and again we took that down. I said that if it got below 0.75, you were going to see 850, 650, and then this was my line. In fact, these lines were here the whole time. I want to be very clear on that, and I specifically put this line as a thick line because I said this is most likely where the market wants to go. And if you look here, now the room was closed. We closed it up right around here. Okay, told everybody if they wanted to stay in the trade, that's fine. These were the targets. Otherwise, we would get out there and you make about 4 points. And you'll see here that this hit here did dip down lower. We did have target here about 1.5 points down below there, and then that was basically the low of the day so far. But again, the room was closed here at this point. So beautiful trade there, beautiful trade up here, a beautiful trade there. Just a great day. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4 winners. We did talk about these 2 trades, but we were long here. I'm not going to reverse and then get out of the trade or anything like that. And then this was a ZL here, so these we did not take with the blue dot, but we would have been long there and short there if we did. For some reason we couldn't get in before that. And just a great day. In the TF, power plays the same thing. We got long here, and the price was let me get the price for you. The price was 1235.5, and you'll see as soon as the market hit this target up here, okay, that's where we got out there, and that trade went for about it went for about 50 ticks, but we'll say 30 to 40 ticks because some people held and waited until that short triggered and then got out. So 30 to 40 ticks on that trade, and then you'll see this short here was 1236.5, and this thing went all the way down. Okay, first target, second target is this line here. Third target, if you look, when this was hit, okay, the time was 11:42. Look at 11:42 on the TF right there. That's where you would have exited right there, and that would have been from 12:27, almost a 100-tick trade. Again, while the room was open, we got about 30, almost 30 ticks, 35 ticks. And again, I told everybody if they want to stay in, those were the targets. Okay, so just a great day in the room. We're going to come back and we're going to do it again tomorrow. And until then, I want everybody to have a great day.